Hello guys, I am from GoGrass Math Hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 3 Matrix NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 5 exercise 3.1 implied that construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Roman 1 Aij is equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 I cap plus j cap mod Roman 2 Aij is equal to 2 I cap minus j cap full stop. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall take the solution of question number 5 Roman 1. So here I shall write Roman 1. Given that, here I shall write given that element A input Ij equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 I cap plus j cap mod. Now we have to do construction of a matrix of order 3 class 4. 3 class 4. So here I shall let A matrix capital A equal to opening of square bracket I shall do here. Opening of square bracket I shall do here. Construct a matrix of order 3 class 4. So here I am going to construct a matrix of order 3 cross 4. This means that here number of rows will be 3 and number of columns will be 4. The number of rows I shall write here 3. 3 rows will be available here. So here I shall write A11, A1, 2, A1, 3. Here you can see A11, A input 11. Here first one represent row position, here second one represent column position. So this element you can see A input 11. First one represent row position and second one second one represent column position. This means that this element A11 is there in first row, first column. This element A12 is there in first row, second column. This element A input 13 is there in first row, third column. So here I shall write again. Second row it will become 2, 1, A, 2, 2, I shall write A, 2, 3, I write it. Here this one become A, 3, 1, A, 3, 2, A, 3, 3. Here you can see number of rows is 3. The first row, second row, third row. But number of columns here 4. So I shall erase this one and 4 columns I shall take. So this element here I shall write element 1, element 2. Once again, this will become 1, 4. This will become 2, 4. This will become 3, 4. Closing of square bracket I have done like this. So here you can see first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. That's why this matrix is of order 3 cross 4. So I have let this matrix is 3 cross 4. So here you can get first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. So this thing I have let here. Now I have constructed a matrix of order 3 cross 4 whose elements are given. This means that A11, what will be the value of A11? So here I shall find the value of A11. Given, here it is given Aij, A input Ij is equal to 1/2 mod minus 3 I cap plus j cap mod. Here A input Ij, I represent row position, j represent column position. So here value of I will be taken from the row position and value of j will be taken from column position. So for example, for the element A11, so here you can say A11, the value of A11 will be, here you can say in place of I have written 1, in place of j I have written 1. The same value will be transferred here also, 1/2 minus 3. Here you can see in place of I shall write here 1 because I represent here row position and j represent here column position. So in place of I shall write here 1. Write here 1 plus in place of j I shall write here 1. Mod I shall do here. So this will become equal to 1/2 mod. Here you can see minus 3 into 1 comes out to here minus 3 plus 1 mod equal to 1/2. Here it will become minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 comes out to here minus 2 mod. So you will get here A11 equal to, here you can see 1/2 in bracket 2 because here you can see mod minus 2 comes out to be 2. So it will become implied that A input 1 equal to 1 you will get. The value of A input 1 you have got output as 1. So in place of this one I shall write here 1. Again you write here for the element like this you will do here. Now I shall take here I shall write Aij equal to 1/2 mod minus 3 I cap plus j cap mod. So here implied that I shall write A. Now this one A11, the value of A input A11 I have got here equal to output as 1. So here in place of A input 1 I shall write here 1. Now come out to next element A input 1 2. The A input 1 2 I shall write equal to 1/2 mod minus 3 I shall write in place of I shall write equal to 1 plus in place of j I shall write 2. So we will get here equal to 1/2 mod. I will get here minus 3 will multiply to 1 will get here minus 2, sorry, you will get here minus 3. Minus 3 will multiply to 1, you will get here minus 3 plus 2 equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 plus 2, you will get here minus 1. You will get here 1 over 2. Here you can see mod of minus 1, you will get here only 1. Comes out to here 1 over 2. The value of A input 1, 2, you have got 1 over 2. Now next element I shall take here. Like this you will do here. A input 1, 3. 1 over 2 mod minus 3 I shall write. In place of I shall write here into 1. This one. In place of j, I shall write plus 3. Equal to 1 over 2 minus 3 will multiply to 1. You will get here minus 3 plus 3. You will get here 0. A input 1, 3, you have got here 0. Now come out to next element, imply that A input 14, you have got here 1 over 2 mod. And minus 3 I shall write here minus 3. In place of I shall put the value 1. In place of j, I shall put here 4. Equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 will multiply to 1. We will get here minus 3 plus 4 I shall write mod equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 plus 4 comes out to only here 1 equal to 1 over 2 we will get. Now next element I shall take from here A input 21. So here I shall write A input 21. Do the operation here 1 over 2 mod minus 3 I shall write here minus 3 into in place of I. In place of I here I shall write here 2. I equal to 2 here is there plus value of j will be 1. I will do the operation 1 over 2 mod minus 3 will multiply to 2. We will get here minus 1. Minus 3 will multiply to 2. We will get here 3 to the 6. Minus 6 we will get plus 1 I shall write equal to 1 over 2 mod or here minus 5 plus 1. We will get here minus 5 mod equal to minus 6 plus 1. Do the operation here, we will get here minus 5. 1 over 2. Here you can see mod minus 5 comes out to here 5 only. So here you will get 5 over 2. So now the value of A input 21, you have got 5 over 2. Now come out to next here. A to 2. I shall write here 1 over 2 mod. Oh, minus 3 is there, so I shall write here minus 3. In place of I shall write here 2. Plus, in place of j, I shall write 2. Do the operation here. We shall get minus 3 will multiply to 2. We will get here minus 6 plus 2 mod equal to 1 over 2 mod. Here minus 6 will be added to plus 2, will get here minus 4. Mod will get minus 6 plus 2, will get here minus 4. Here will get 1 over 2 in bracket. Mod of minus 4 will get here 4. Comes out to 2. You will get here only 2. Now next I shall write A23. Implied that A23 will get here 1 over 2 mod A23. Mod minus 3 I shall write here minus 3 into, in place of I here I shall write here 2, and in place of j I shall write here 3 equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 will multiply to 2, will get here minus 6, 3 to be 6 minus 6 plus 3, you will get here 1 over 2 minus 6 will be added to plus 3, you will get here minus 3 equal to plus 6, minus 6 plus 3, you will get here minus 3. Mod of minus 3, you will get here 1 over 2 in bracket, you will get here 3, comes out to 3 over 2, you will get here 3 over 2. Now A to 3 over, now come out to here A input 24. So here I shall write A input 24, you will get here 1 over 2 mod. Here minus 3 there, write here minus 3. In place of I shall write row position 2 plus column position 4. I shall write mod 1 over 2 mod minus 3 will multiply to 2. We'll get here minus 6 plus 4 comes out to 1 over 2. Here minus 6 will be added to plus 4. We'll get here minus 2 equal to, here 1 over 2 mod of minus 2 will get here only 2. You will get here 1. A input 24, you have got the result as 1. Now come out to next here. I shall get the value of A input 31. So here I shall write A input 31. We will get here 1 over 2 mod. Here minus 3 is there, so I shall write here minus 3 into 3. The value of I here, row position is 3, so write here 3 plus the value of column position j, I shall take here 1, write here 1. Mod I shall do the operation 1 over 2 mod minus 3 will multiply to 3. We will get here minus 9 plus 1. We will get here 1 over 2 mod minus 8 equal to 3 3 is minus 9 plus 1. We will get here minus 8. Comes out to here 1 over 2. Here mod of minus 8. We will get here only 8. Write here 8. Result will be here only 4. 4 to 8 we will get 31 over. Now come out to here 8 input 32. So here I shall write A input 32 equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 they write here minus 3 into the value of row position I shall take here 3. So I shall write here 3. A value of column position I shall take here plus 2. So you will get this one equal to, you will get 1 over 2 mod minus 3 will multiply to 3, will get here minus 9 plus 2 1 over 2 mod. Minus 9 will be added to plus 2, will get here minus 7 mod. 1 over 2 mod of minus 7, you will get here only 7, you will get here 7 over 2, you will get here 7 over 2. So you have got here A input 32, result you have got as 7 over 2. Now find the result of A input double 3. So here I shall write A input double 3. You will get here 1 over 2 mod. 1 over 2 mod. Here I shall write minus 3 into the value of row position I shall take from here. You will write here 3 plus value of column position I shall take here 3. Right here. 1 over 2. Will multiply to 3, will get here minus 9 plus 3 mod will get here. So 1 over 2 mod minus 9 plus 3 will get here minus 3. 1 over 2. Oh, and mod of minus 6 you will get here only 6. 6 over 3 will get 6 over 2 will get here 3. Here you can see 1 over 2 mod of minus 6 will get here 1 over 2 mod of minus 6 will be 6. 6 over 2 will get here only 3. The value of A input double 3 you have got here 3. Now value of input A double 3 you have got here 3. Now find the value of A input 34. So here I shall write A input 34 equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 I shall write here minus 3. The row position, the value of row position I shall take here this one 3, here write 3 plus value of row column position I shall take here, from here you will get here 4 equal to 1 over 2 mod minus 3 will multiply to 3, you will get here minus 9 plus 4 mod you will get here 1 over 2 minus 9 will be added to plus 4, you will get here minus 5. So again you have got here A input 34 equal to 1 over 2 5, will get here easily 5 over 2. Now form the